Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. If you want to fix a temporarily locked Instagram account and you are looking out how to fix that, you may follow up these steps for that and you should be able to get your account back. So for that, you can head over to Instagram and go ahead and access their login page. Now in this login page, right in the section, you can enter up your username and your password. Once you enter it up, you can tap on this login option and you can look out for the on-screen instructions to verify your identity. So you can just go over and do so. Or if not within your Instagram login page, you can go to a browser or Google itself and you can search for temporary locked Instagram account recovering. So you can type in and look out for the a particular Instagram help page. So you can look out for Instagram help page. Let's get over to Instagram recovery page. So type in Instagram recovery page and hit enter. And when you do, you will be taken to this section. You can tap on the help center and follow up the process to recover your account. So once you enter up your email or phone number, what you need to do is you need to go ahead and provide in them with your security code. So you can enter up the code that you will be receiving in a text or email to confirm it up. And once you go ahead and do so, you can just go over and confirm your account. And if this issue is permanent or temporary, if it's temporary action block, you may need to wait for 24 hours or a few days and sometimes a longer before you can log in back again. And you can just go over and unlock the lock. And that is also possible, or you can just go over and submit an appeal within the Instagram itself, and you may be asked to provide in a photo ID or a video selfie to prove you own the account. And also, some users report success by lodging an objection by an official appeal form on the Instagram Help Center. You can fill out the form, and then you should be able to recover your temporarily locked account as well. So that is it, everybody. Those are the solutions you can follow up. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.